Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the Ghana Cedi sign on Microsoft Word. So this is another Word tutorial. I have a lot of tutorials on Word on my channel, so you can check them out. So let's not waste any time. Let's get going with the main theme of this video. So to do this, you just need to tap on Alt plus 83 and then 73. So I'm going to show you how to do this here. So now let me do this for you to see. Good. So after pressing the Alt plus 8373, you should get this. And then you continue typing. So that's it for how you can enter Ghana Cedi on Microsoft Word. So just like I said, I have a lot of tutorial videos on this on Microsoft Word on my channel. You can check them out. I have tutorials on Microsoft PowerPoint as well. You can check them out as well. So that's it. If you are new here, don't forget to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.